Welcome to the Lefka Ori. This is one of the ferries that can take you from Athens to the Greek islands. In this video, we're going to be looking at cabin tour, cabin 455. So let's get in there. Now, as we said, we are going to be focusing on the cabins on the Lefka Ori. They're on deck 7 and deck 8. If you want to check out the rest of the ship, we will be having a video on the channel soon that will cover the bars, the restaurants, the seating areas, the little shops, the outside areas, and even the swimming pool, which you might be disappointed in, but it's there. But this video is about cabin 455. Okay, just want to give you a quick tour of cabin 455. On the Lefka Ori, if I've said that correctly. For some reason, it looks like we're in the kids' room. But let's take a look. Now, we just got off the Explorer 1, which was a little different, but considerably more expensive. And we're heading to Kos from Athens. And this is going to be the quick, because it's not much, quick room tour. What you've got is a decent enough sized place to hang up your laundry, your clothes, with 4 hangers to be fair, and some ladders so you can put the kids upstairs if you want. This is a family room. Maybe we booked a family room. We've put the luggage, just as a tip, flat because this is a considerably faster boat. It's called a Superfast ferry than a normal cruise ship, so if it is a little wavy, I don't want to have those rolling out and blocking this door. And there's the name just to confirm, the Lefka Ori. Now, the cabin's not very big, but it has 4 decent sized singles, to be honest with you, and it has a mirror, hello, and somewhere you can put your luggage, a bin, and there's our other case just in case it is wavy, like we say. I would imagine that we can put these beds up, but we're only on it for one night, so we won't bother. They're fairly firm, which for us is pretty good. I imagine the pillow, yeah, the pillow's a little soft for us, but that doesn't really matter. It has a night light underneath. Let's see if they actually work. Yes. And it has, I have no idea what program selector is. Possibly, I don't know, sound or aircon. Volume controller, I'm guessing maybe music's piped in. Another light switch, let's see what that one does. That's the main cabin lights. Oh, okay. Have I just broke them? No. So you can actually turn the lights off in bed, which is a nice touch. A phone, no idea who you're going to phone, and a power outlet. Pretty useful, to be fair with you. And then another night light under there. It looks like even the top bunks, oh yeah, they have a night light as well. I'll show you the view. I'll just close the curtains because the light was shining in and the camera struggles when there's massive light. So let it adjust a second and give you a quick view. We got the lifeboat and what looks like a promenade deck because my wife just knocked on the window to say hello and scared me. There she is. So I'll close the window again just so we can get the rest of the cabin. And you can take a look from this side. So it's not bad. One night going to Kos, you know, what more do you want? Cost us, I'll put these details in the end and probably in the description, but it cost us about 280 euros for the ferry ticket, obviously, and then for the cabin on top. I think the cabin was 130 and then the trip was, I guess, 60, whatever that works out, 60 each, something like that. Which is not too bad because we looked at the flights and the flights were about 120 euros each, obviously much quicker, but this saves on a hotel. And you get to go on your little mini cruise as well, because I'll give you the boat tour in another video, but it looks like it has a swimming pool, a casino, and a couple of restaurants, which would be quite cool to check out. And again, not really compare, but at least see what the differences are between that and the Explorer 1, which we got off a couple of days ago. Now, it does have a bathroom with a light switch and another power socket. Not 100% certain why it's in the middle of the wall, but there it is. And this is why I think it might be the kids' bedroom, or family room at least. And you've got a toilet, fairly reasonable size. Again, it's a ferry, not a cruise ship. A couple of towels, and we also have a couple more towels on the beds outside. And we have me, hello, looking a bit hot and burnt. Decent mirror, looks clean. A couple of drinking glasses, some soaps. Toilet, again, clean. And a mini shower with a curtain that is going to stick to you, but you know, you're only going to use it once or twice, so that doesn't really matter. So that's the room tour on the Lefka Ori. And we didn't spot one on YouTube because we didn't actually think we were getting this boat. It was going to be called the Asterion 2 or something. And then when I checked the ticket, they'd either changed it for some reason, or I don't know how Greek ferries work. And we ended up on this one. And on YouTube, I couldn't, doesn't mean there isn't one, but I couldn't see a video that showed you the ship. So hopefully this is going to be useful to some of you out there. If it is, please give us a like and a subscribe if you can, because we are a new channel and we're trying to grow a little bit. Thanks a lot. Catch you in the next video.